So a lot of times when I'm looking for these scooters online, you'll see some that say that they run, but they just need a battery. And the problem with that is a lot of them will run without a battery if they have a kickstart. So I'm going to show you right now how it has a battery in it. We'll start it up fine. And you can take the battery out and your kickstart's still going to work. So battery in, we'll put the key in, ignition on. And I made a video how to start a scooter without keys. That's a pretty popular one. That has nothing to do with this. We're just seeing right now. Because people are like, oh, the battery died on my scooter, but it runs fine. You know, you just need a battery. And most of the time they're lying, but... So the battery is completely disconnected, taken out. We'll turn the key on, kill switch on. Starts right up, fine, good. Your lights still work. So this is a 2017 P Sports 50cc. It has a big bore kit in it, but it'll run with no battery. So when people say, oh, my scooter runs, it just needs a new battery, they're pretty much lying to you. And I wanted to test it to see if you need a battery in the system to complete the circuit. You know, even if it's dead, it might need to be there to complete the circuit for the kickstart to work. But that's not the case. You don't even need a battery in the scooter for the kickstart to work. So it's really like that in case your battery dies and you get stuck somewhere and you need to get home. But yep, a scooter will run without a battery if it has a kickstart most of the time. This guy's trying to jump start it with a car. This guy has a car battery sitting on it. But they don't need to do that. If the scooter runs, it'll run without a battery. You just kickstart it.